In this video, I'll show you how to use the Playful Rewards app step by step. This guide is made for beginners, so if you've never used it before, just follow along carefully. First, open the Playful Rewards app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Playful Rewards, download the app, and then open it. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see the sign in or sign up screen. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If you're new, tap Sign Up and create an account using your email, phone number, or social login. Complete any verification if required. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen or dashboard. Here you'll see your current points or rewards balance at the top. Below that, you'll see tasks, offers, and earning options that you can complete to earn rewards. Playful Rewards works by completing tasks such as installing games, watching videos, completing offers, or using other apps like TikTok for time-based rewards. Tap on any task you want to start. For example, if a task says install and play game X, tap on it. Then follow the instructions to download that game from the store, open it, and complete the required steps to earn points. Once you complete the task, return to the Playful Rewards app and your points should be credited. Another common earning feature is watch videos or scroll TikTok. Tap the video or TikTok task, give the app the necessary permissions, and then watch or scroll as required. The app will track your activity and reward you accordingly. Some tasks have requirements or minimum time limits, so make sure you complete the full action before exiting, or your reward may not count. At any time, you can go to the Rewards or Wallet section by tapping the menu or wallet icon. Here you can see your accumulated points, your progress, and your reward options. To redeem your points, tap the Redeem or Withdraw button. Playful Rewards typically lets you exchange points for gift cards, cash via PayPal, mobile recharge, or other payout options available in your region. Choose your payout method, enter the necessary details, and confirm. The app may require a minimum balance before you can redeem rewards. If your current balance is below that threshold, keep completing tasks to build your points. Remember to check the daily tasks and offers section regularly, as new earning opportunities appear frequently. That's how you use the Playful Rewards app login, complete tasks, earn points, and redeem your rewards. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more earning app tutorials. Thanks for watching.